Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the highway stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the half double crochet stitch, work in the front loops, and work in the back loops. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make any number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 half double crochet into the second chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 half double crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 half double crochet into the second chain from your hook, and then 1 half double crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 2 chains. For row 2, we're going to be working 1 half double crochet into each stitch, but only working into the front loop. So let's first identify the front loop of our stitches. If you look from the top, this loop on this side farthest away from you is the back loop. This loop of your stitches, the one that's closest to you, this one right here, is the front loop. So you're going to work only into that loop of each stitch and make a regular half double crochet using that loop. So it's going to be this loop right here, then make a half double crochet, this loop, the front loop, and make a half double crochet. So I'm going to continue making these in the front loops for the rest of my row. So that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. So similar to our last row, we worked half double crochets into the front loops only. We're going to be making half double crochets into the back loops only for row 3. So we identified the back loops on our last row. This loop farthest away from us on the other side of our work is the back loop, and this one closest to us is the front loop. So just using the back loops of our stitches, make regular half double crochets into them. So this loop right here, this back loop, make regular half double crochets into those back loops. And I'm going to continue on making a half double crochet into each stitch, but only working into the back loops for the rest of my row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the highway stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.